All right, we're in Potters Creek Park, Canyon Lake, Texas, and I'm going to set up a game cam out here. And I found some trails where I'm located at, and we have a piece of chicken, and we're going to tie it to a tree. It's one of the trails there. It's another trail that runs off that way. And that game trail keeps going off that way. So what I've got is a game cam. I've got a rotisserie chicken that I've mostly eaten. And I'm going to tie it to a tree with some 550 cord. And we're going to see what we can get tonight. I found the perfect location. This is awesome. Got this sturdy branch here. I'm going to tie the chicken to this. We'll tie the game cam to that. Shoot out this way, because right here is a game trail. It's a game trail that runs right through here, down that way. Okay. Since I've been doing this, I've never had any inappropriate captures or strangulations or any harm done to any animals doing it this way with 550 cord. I've tried other materials, never fishing twine, of course, but I hate wasting 550 cord. I think this is a waste, and I always do it in sections. I always tie little pieces, little pieces, little pieces, little pieces, little pieces. So it takes them longer to take it off, and you get more footage that way. Of course, there's things on the ground, which is fine. Little pieces all over the place. And I set the camera up, the game cam, rechargeable batteries, ready to go, powered on. I've already set it up, and she should be ready, just like that. And it's faced right there. So we're good to go for this evening, and we'll see what we get tonight. We'll should be a really good camera right there. I expect raccoon, fox. I don't know about coyote, but what I really want is a cougar. That would be awesome. But we'll see what we get tonight. That's it. Now we just got to get out of here. Aha, there we go. That's gonna be really nice. Game camera's back in there. That's gonna be real good. It's gonna work perfect. I saw some rabbit in there, and I saw some roadrunners back in there. So I guess what we need to do now is backtrack a little bit. I need to mark my location. I tell you, these boots, these new Marine Corps super high speed boots that I never had when I was in, are really awesome. Okay, I finally got my Garmin Dakota 20 dialed in. Oh, gotta get closer. There's my coordinates right there. It's the next day. It's about 2:10. I think today's the 8th. I'm on my way to get the camera, the stealth cam, and see what kind of footage we got on that. Hopefully we got something good with that chicken. But it's right up here around the bend. woods, and hopefully we got something good up there. We'll find out soon. This should be the area. Looks promising. Should be right up in here someplace. Right up. Okay, I see it. There's the camera. See if anything happened. Well, looks like it's been pretty well cleaned up. Now there's bugs all over it. There's ants all over it. It's been cleaned. Something's been pulling on it. That worked. Let's see how many clips we got. It says we got 10 clips. Well, now that's counting down because we're standing in front of it. But it looks good. Now I'm just gonna cut this 550 cord off and throw it in the trash can so it won't cause any kind of issues with the animals. And we're done. Okay, area's been cleaned up. 550 cord's been put away and put in a little baggie in my pocket, my cargo pocket. Got the deal here, and we're gonna go check out what's going on. Hopefully we get some good footage. And of course, though the puppy dogs. Hello, puppy dogs. All right, let's see what we got. First clip, looks like that's me. Second one, I got a deer. So it looks like a little deer's in there. Next one, it's a little raccoon cruising around getting some chicken. Next one, oh, I don't know what that was. I'll have to look at that a little bit harder. Next one, it's a raccoon in the back. Looks like mostly the raccoon ate it. So what I'll do is I'm going to drop this in Sony Vegas, put all this together, and post it and see what happens. Oh, there's some creatures in the back there. I don't know what they are, but they're moving in. Oh, that's really cool.